Are you a first-time home buyer and don't know the process to buying a home? In today's video, we're going to talk about a buying your first home checklist. Today we're going to talk about buying your first home checklist. The checklist will consist of 12 steps. I'll go over each step briefly in this video and provide an in-depth video later on each step. The first step is the pre-qualifying stage. Here you'll meet with a lender and provide some basic information to see what your max loan amount will be. The second step is finding your dream home. Here is where we start searching and looking at homes. The third step is negotiating the contract. This is when you have placed a contract on a home that you want to purchase. The buyer and seller negotiate the purchase price and the terms of the contract. The fourth step is putting up earnest money. Here the buyer will basically put down a deposit on the home showing good faith to purchase the home. This money will go towards your closing costs. The fifth step is doing a home and termite inspection on the home. Here you'll hire an inspector to come out and look at the house along with a termite inspector. If you don't know a company to perform these services, your agent will probably have some recommendations. The sixth step is the appraisal of the home. The bank will send out a licensed appraiser to get a value of the home you're looking to purchase. The seventh step is the loan approval. The bank will request documents and will verify your income. The eighth step is requesting repairs to be done to your satisfactory that was discovered from the home and termite inspections. The ninth step is the buyer purchases insurance for the home. The 10th step is the pre-closing walkthrough of the home. This is normally done the day of or the day before the closing date. It is to make sure everything has been completed that the buyer asked to be fixed and to make sure the house is still in the same condition it was when you first looked at it. The 11th step is the closing on your home. This is signing all the paperwork from the title company and the bank if you have received a loan on the home. The 12th step is receiving your keys and becoming a new home owner. Congratulations. I have provided below a link to download the Buying Your First Home Checklist. Once again, this is Floyd Margason, building relationships one transaction at a time.